Okay, so we're going to discuss extruded cut. So we're just going to use this sample part here to demonstrate to you the different end condition of an extruded cut. Okay, so just like extruded boss, we're going to create a sketch profile, which is fully enclosed profile. So that's how an extruded cut works. We need to first create a fully enclosed sketch profile. So we're going to use this circle. Make sure we're going to make it fully defined first. Just make it 2.5 and this one is 1.5. Okay, and we'll make it 1.5. So we now have a fully enclosed circle. Then we'll go to features, then click extruded cut. We can see the preview of the cut, extruded cut. Right now we are using the blind condition. That's where we can input the length of the cut extrusion. So right now we have 1 inch cut extrusion. So if we click OK, so as you can see, it created a 1 inch extrusion. It did not go through the full thickness of this body. So if we wanted to fully go through the thickness of this body, you know that the thickness is 2 inch, so we'll give it a 2 inch value. And now it's fully cut. So that's the blind and condition. Next is through all. So as you can see, through all will just cut everything on its path. Click OK. It's still the same with the blind with a 2 inch value. But what if we want to cut through this too? So all we have to do is change the direction. Just flip this one, and now this one will be cut. But as you can see, there's an error because we did not select this body to be included in the cut. So we need to either select all bodies or we'll include this body here. Just make sure you select this prompt here, click the body. So now the selected bodies are now green. So that means they are included in the scope. So click OK. Now this body is cut. But then you wonder how come body is not cut, and that is because our sketch starts here in the surface. Now if we want to include this, we have to put the sketch plane here. So our sketch will start here in this surface, and it's very easy to do that. All we have to do is right click the sketch feature and then click edit sketch plane. So we're going to replace this face. We'll click the other side, click OK. So as you can see, this solid body here is now included in the cut. So as you can see in the preview, yeah, the cut goes through both of these bodies. So that's how through all works. And next is through all both. Okay, so through all both, same with through all, but in both directions. So to demonstrate that, we need to change the face sketch plane again. We'll put it here. Okay, and change this to through all both. And now there are two directions for the extrusion, which is going forward and then going backwards. And both of these bodies are selected, but we can also just check all bodies and it would work the same. Next is up to next. So up to next meaning up to the next body. Okay, we just click it. Oh, I see. I think up to next is, I don't know, sure about it. Oh, I see. We had the wrong direction. So we just flip the direction going forward. So up to next is just, the extrusion, cut extrusion will end at the next body. Click OK. You can see that the cut extrusion ends here at the surface. Let's do that again. Oh, so because we previously select through all both, we activated the direction too. So we just need to uncheck it, then flip it. Or how to do that, I don't know. Not sure. Let's do that again. So up to next, zip line, and up to next. We're just going to flip this, and then it's asking for, is this asking for something? Direction of extrusion. So we don't have to do that. Just click. Oh, I see. We have to select the body that we want to be included in the scope of the cut extrusion. Okay. So end face or feature, I'm not sure with that. What if we're going to just put the sketch plane here, and then we're going to up to next. I think up to next is up to the next surface. Yeah, I think so. See it here. So the end of the extrusion ends with this surface, with the next surface of his body. So that's how it works. Let's see if we will transfer this sketch here. See, the extrusion for this one ends in the next surface. So that's how up to next work. Next is up to vertex. So we'll put the sketch plane back to this. Okay, so we're going to select up to surface, up to vertex. Okay, so same with the boss extrusion. We are being prompted to input a vertex, so we'll just select one of these vertices. Oh, so it works. Just select the vertex. Next is up to surface, so it's asking us to input a surface. So if we select this one, the extrusion will end at this surface. If we select this surface, the extrusion will end at the farthest surface of this geometry here. That's up to surface. Now offset from surface. So we need to select this one, space, and then can input a 1-inch offset from the surface that we've selected. That's offset from surface. Next is up to body. Okay, so there's a prompt to input a solid body or surface body. We don't have, again, a surface body. All we have is a solid body, this one. So we can click it here, or we can click it in the graphics interface. So the extrusion will end at the first surface of the body that we've selected. Okay. That's up to body. Next is midplane. So as you can see, the cut goes both direction, backward and forward. So as you can see here, we've inputted a 1-inch value of the extrusion, cut extrusion specifically. So if you input 2, so you have cut extrusion of 1 inch going backward and 1 inch going forward. So they start at this sketch plane that we selected, which is this surface of the body. Okay, now if we click OK, so we only have a 1-inch extrusion, cut extrusion, because we choose mid-plane. But if we choose blind, and we have 2-inch cut extrusion value, so the cut extrusion will end at this surface. Okay, so that's how to do the extruded cut feature in SolidWorks.